So how do you measure business AI value? You start with an AI model, the one that actually generates the value. Then you need to sort of plug it into the application so that the end users can interact with it and get the benefits from said AI model. And then we also want to have a way to measure the value within the business process so that we can improve and optimize the way on how we use AI for our business. In customer support, we are using SAP Signavio to do the measurement of all of our customer support processes and the way on how we use AI within them. And we do offer SAP Signavio to our customers as well, where they can use SAP Signavio's process intelligence to then also monitor their respective business processes as well as the AI that they infuse in there. If you want to learn more, go to the SAP support portal where you can experience it firsthand.